Hi guys, welcome back. So today is Five Below haul. So I have everything out in front of me, so it's easier, so I don't have to like reach in and make those annoying noises from the bag. But yeah, it's kind of a decent size haul, so we're gonna jump right in. So the first thing I got was this Go Fish game, just because I like Go Fish. So got the actual game this time. Then I got this Sensory Fidget Twirl Pen in this pretty color. I don't really know what this like actually does. I just thought it was pretty. So yeah, but I got this. Then I got the little mini brand bag that has come just 3 mini brands. So actually at the end of this video I'm gonna unbox my mini brands and the one from the Target haul. So I got this. Then I got this little drink sleeve. It says Bussin' Beverage. And I thought it was hilarious. So I picked this up and it had that like little flame on the bottom. So I thought it was so funny. Then I got 2 little masks. I got this one, Simply Mermazing, and it's supposed to make you look like a mermaid. So we'll see. I picked that up. And then this one, you're supposed to look like a unicorn. Oh no, a llama. Oh yeah, I'm pumped. So I got this. So yeah, I just got these 2. So we'll see. We'll see. Then I got this little Squishmallow notebook in this Squishmallow Garnet. And it's just typical notebook, but it's furry, it's so cute, so I got this. Then I got this little pretty black cat keychain, which we know why, but it's so cute. And look at the little tail, so couldn't pass this up, so I got this. Speaking of cat, I got her this toy. It's like the little tunnel with the ball on the end. She's gonna love this. I've been holding this for like literally a week now. So I'm gonna give her this, but yeah, it just looks like that. So I'm excited to give that to her. She's gonna love it. Then I got the Real Littles Micro Mart. So we'll see what ones I got, and here we'll unbox all this at the end. Then I got this beautiful crystal phone case. Like, look how beautiful, like pretty that is. I don't know if oops, the lighting's like doing it. But yeah, it's so pretty. Like, I love this case. Then I got this case. I'm literally wearing these slippers right now. This reminds me of Justin Bieber, like Drew, the Drew brand. So I picked this up. I had to for what is it, like $5.55. Then I got this little Game Boy, and it has candy in it. But I just thought it was so cute, like the Game Boy. So like, yeah, just picked this up. I used to own a Game Boy. I still have it, but Game Boy. Then I got this little Squishmallow. It's sticky notes, and they're in the cat, and it was $1, so I got it. So cute. Then I got the Squishmallow notebook. I couldn't help it. Like, it's covered in Squishmallows. The whole thing is like Squishmallows everywhere. Up here, I just had to. I'm obsessed with Squishmallows, as we know. So I got this. So that's all I got from Five Below. But now we're gonna unbox the mini brands. The little mini brands, the mini brands, and the one from Target. So stay tuned. Here we go. This one is Series 4, which I never saw or owned. So I only saw it at Target. So here we go. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it's Juicy Juice apple juice. Okay, not bad at all. Fun. What's this? I think this is like one of the what do you call it? Like, okay, it has like these stickers, so it has to be something you build. Oh, it's like the cash register. So it comes like these pieces. Sorry, that one's a little bit hard to show. But I have to build that. So that gotta be fun. Then What's this? This is the extra laundry detergent. So, what's up with my lighting? So I got this. Okay. Oh, I love mini brands. Like, I'm obsessed. And I dropped it. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this one. I wish they were just easier to open. I struggle. This is, oh, Teddy Grahams. Okay, this lighting is horrible. Teddy Grahams. And the one I dropped, hold on, you know. Okay, let's get the one I dropped. What's this? Oh, and the mounds, like the candy. So, and then, like the sheet. So it's everything that came with that series. And I have the big, like, collector's thing, which I don't know if I'll do in this video, so. But now, on to this mini brand. So it's just bagged and it comes with 3. So, let's see. It literally just comes. So first, we get the sheet. Okay, then we get the hot sauce. We get the little Pez. What's in here? And then some kind of, I don't even know, cash register or something. So we just got that. So those are the little mini brands that we got. And like the blue ones. Now, we're gonna do the littles. Let's see. This one you have to like cut open. These I'm probably not gonna want to collect all of them just because, I don't know. These don't interest me as much as like the mini brands do. But, you know, still fun to unbox, so. Hold on. Okay, so we get the Swiss Miss. And then I can never get them out of the box. Like, I struggle. And then this is what it looks like. Just this. Then we got the soft pretzel. Yeah, these I don't really get the point of. Like, I don't really know. But I just think they're cool still. That's what we got. So, that concludes my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching this Five Below haul. Next up is Dollar Tree, and it is gigantic, so I don't know how many parts it will be. But like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.